Hey guys, happy Friday to you. Today we're taking a look at the Monogram 69 Camaro Z28, dated 2023. There's this side. There's the bottom. Here's our nice Z28 body. Nicely done, no flash. Here's our glass, our lenses, our tail lights. Here's our tires. Here's our decals. Our instructions. This was like one of the first model kits I built back in the day. It has opening hood with a hinge. Our engine, reservoir tank, radiator. Here's our chrome tree with our rims, our headers, our side pipes, front grille, bumpers, bell housing, valve covers, oil pan. Why they did chrome belt is beyond me. That was kind of dumb. Our interior tub, our hinge, our dry shaft. Here's our chassis, firewall, our front grille bumper, radiator, our dashboard. Our front seat, our back seat, our hood scoop. Here's our custom front seat, our other hood scoop, rear end, and our transmission. Here's our engine halves, our leaf springs, our hood scoop, grille support, front suspension, our pins, shocks, wheel backs, and steering wheel. Not a lot to this kit, but it's a classic. There we go, the Monogram 69 Camaro Z28. Must have been an Ollie's kit because the price looks like it was $12. Which is what I think I paid $10 for it. And then here's a little bench update on the Jeep Rubicon. Just waiting to paint, but it's so cold out. I can't paint right now. It's like teens out, so. But we got our chassis done, tires and wheels. Suspension's all done. Gas tank painted, exhaust. I'm not going to do the bottom of the engine because you're not going to see it anyway. So there's that. Like I said, I'm waiting to get some primer on the body and get it painted. Got the front headlight assembly together. The radiator. And the roll cage is drying. So I can get that painted. So that's about it for this week. I can't unless it warms up a little bit. And I can shoot some primer. But you guys will have a great day. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Hopefully I earned your like on this video. And I will catch you in the next one.